Well, hi friends, so welcome back to my channel. Summer is finally here. With that comes vacation, traveling, airports, road trips, overweight luggage, packing lists. It can be really overwhelming. I get it. This year, you guys, alone, and we are in June, I have traveled more than the whole last year together. So I have developed a few travel hacks that I want to share with you on this short little video. First things first, a few things that you need to take note of when traveling is once you know the weather, you will know what to expect. You'll be able to plan your outfits accordingly. The next step, you will be planning your outfits according to the days and the activities that you have planned. I know sometimes we don't always know what's coming, what's gonna be. Just make sure that you think about, say, 5 days, plan 5 outfits and maybe 2 extras just in case. That will be your just in case. Like if you're gonna go out to a fancier place or if it gets a little bit chilly or whatever. That brings me to my third tip. When you're planning that, guys, bring your heavier items on you. So whether it's a coat, if you're going somewhere cold, or if it's somewhere warm, you still want to bring a denim jacket or a lightweight jacket or cardigan or something like that. So wear it on the plane. Not only you're going to be saving a lot of room in your suitcase, you're actually going to be cold in the airplane. I guarantee that. Fourth travel hack, make a list. Can I hear an amen? You guys, I am so guilty of skipping this step too sometimes, but a list is not only your guide, it will, I promise you, you're gonna forget something, whether it's an iPhone charger or a computer charger or a camera charger or an SD card or a toothpaste or a underwear. Totally guilty of doing that. So whatever it is, a list will guide you so well. No matter how much you travel, it is so nice to have a little checklist of the most important things that you cannot forget. A list also helps you to visualize the outfits too. For instance, if you're bringing 1 pair of shorts, maybe you want to bring 2 or 3 tops to wear with that pair of shorts, you know, and that alone, it's already 3 outfits, you guys. Whatever your outfits are, the list just helps to bring the packing to life, and I promise it will make your life so much easier and cut your packing time in half. Okay, now that you're ready to pack, it's time to get organized. One of my first suggestions is for you to invest in packing cubes. You guys can get these guys for about $19 or even as cheap as $10. A ton that you can find online, a ton of sizes that you can also find online, and these are packing so friendly in your suitcase. So there's 2 outfits in here, guys, and then all of my bathing suits, 4 of them, or 1, 2, 3 of them, and all my undies for 5 days are in this tiny little baggie here. For the outfits that you have extra outfits, so say I already packed 2 in here, have all my bathing suits, all of that good stuff, have another 2 or 3 outfits that I want to bring, hang them. Not only it will save you a lot of headaches to find hangers in hotels, not all hotels have good hangers. I can't say enough good things about this. All of my blogger friends have been raving about this makeup case that they found on Amazon, and it took me a while because I'm like, I used to like to travel with just a pouch, like a makeup pouch. I just throw all my goodies in there and call it a day. It's just it's a little smaller, but it was always a mess and I always forget stuff. And then I would realize it when I was in my destination. I didn't plan well. and I didn't have the right organization tools. That being said, lesson learned, and I do not want you to go through that. So here it is. You can bring all of your brushes, all of your pencils, lipsticks, all of that good stuff in here. There is a little zipper in here that you can actually put on your mirror. And then in here fits everything. Tinted moisturizers, foundation, elastic hair, bobby pins, cotton balls, elastic bands, all of your makeup, girlfriend, in such an organized way. Then I'm going to show you a quick tour of my toiletry bag, because here is the good stuff. One travel hack that is really important and good to have is a little scale for your suitcase. I'm going to show you here how I use this later on in the video, but this costs about, I want to say $20 too, maybe even cheaper, and it will save you a lot of headaches in the airport. So this is super compact. You can put it in your handbag. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I really hope that it was helpful for you. There was a lot of research and a lot of trial and error for me to come up with all of these tips that I feel like are so helpful when I am packing myself bags. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to leave me a thumbs up. Obviously, always subscribe to the channel. That helps me so much. I'm going to have a list, complete list of everything that I talked about on the blog at karinastyledairies.com. All the information will be down below. Safe travels this summer, guys, and I cannot wait to see you back again. Um beijo. Tchau, tchau.